Yun. Sound check. Everything's good. Except PSEI. Alright, here we go. And good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another episode of the Daily Grind. Pasensya, wala tayo kahapon. There was a big seminar kasi for stocks ed with GSK na napansin niyo yung post namin kahapon. Right, we had we're kind of busy the whole day, so medyo napagod ako in the evening, so hindi ako napag-daily grind. Pero ayan, update tayo. PSEI once again, ladies and gentlemen, in the red zone. Alam niyo po bakit? Ang daming scare sa buong mundo ngayon. I'm sure you are following. If not, you should be following yung mga updates sa international news, especially with COVID, with the pandemic right now. Sobrang nakakatakot, diba? Let me go to sharing my screen for everyone. Ayan. We were down 0.52 today. Kahapon, we did not do daily grind, pero pulahan pa rin tayo kahapon. Net foreign selling na naman, 652 million po. That's sad. At wala tayong magagawa dyan as the Philippines right now, right? Somehow maganda yung forecast ng mga economists natin, but kulang yung catalyst really to invite more investors, not just local investors, especially foreign investors. And kaya po sunod-sunod na araw nakikita nyo po ito, net foreign NFB/S, that's net foreign selling. Okay, net foreign selling pagpula, so negative 600 million pesos na investments from foreign investors ang lumabas in PSEI today, and the past few days wala pa rin pumapasok na pera, diba? So that's sad. Hindi ko natin magagawa, right? That's the market for you guys. That's the reason why nasa labas ako ng market, nagtitrade. That's why I trade in the international market. Dito sa PSEI, I am still involved here, pero I'm into long-term investing lang dito sa Pilipinas. Why? Because dito sa Pilipinas, maganda naman ang mga companies. Yes, maganda naman ang future. It's just that it's slow. So there's still potential in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But I'm a trader. Mas maganda ang pera sa international market. And why are you trading? The reason why you're trading is you wanna earn. Mas maganda po kumita sa international market. Update tayo. My portfolio. Let me go to my real portfolio, and we were up yesterday 3.81%. Ayan, so updated na ba score natin? Alright, green na tayo. We just talked about this last week. Alright, we are hoping na green tayo for April, and so far so good. Nag-reversal yung mga positions natin karamihan. So congrats to everyone who is copying me. We have 115 copiers already, but right? So, woohoo! Congratulations to us! Especially sa mga kumopya sa akin noong pulahan tayo. And look at that. Anonymous is already up 8%. Nagkopya siya noong April 21 when my portfolio was very low. He's already up 8%. This is just how many days? Right? Mayroon tayong mga anonymous. And these are the people copying us right now. Karamihan is already green. So, congratulations sa mga kumakopya sa atin. Right? I'm really happy for you guys. Dalawang anonymous, 7%, 8%. So, copy trading, if you haven't copied me yet, hopefully, pumakopya na kayo. Ako na pong bahala, right? Ako na pong bahala mag-trade sa inyo. Hindi nyo kailangan mag-trade at mabusy, ma-stress sa trading. Right? That's copy trading. Alright, just let me know if you want to know more about copy trading. Alam ko marami na nakakalam dito, but we have newbies watching us every day. So, yun, gusto ko po sila magabayan. Now, I invite you guys, if ever nagsisimula pala kayo, I want to invite you to copy trading. Right, mag-copy trading muna kayo if baguhan pa lang kayo. Because if you trade on your own, trust me, almost all of the time, napakalaking percentage, you are gonna be losing money. So, please do not trade with your real money if ever na magsisimula pa lang kayo. Pag nag-aaral kayo, it's not about earning, right? Please take this deeply. Bagalan ko po. It's not about earning when you are still starting. You should be focusing on learning and developing your trading skills. Hindi po kayo kikita sa simula, trust me. Right? So while learning, you just let the good traders do the trade for you. Just copy trade. If ever wala pa kayong eToro account, andyan po sa video description, just use that link to create an eToro account. That helps me a lot. Should you want to support me also sa araw-araw natin ginagawa, diba? Let's go to the comments really quick. Jairo C. Huko, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to Jairo si Huko. Albert Alvarez, may gabi, Sir Lloyd. Magandang gabi. Ishi Marimat. Ayun nga pala, please share this video. Pag-share po itong video na ito para naman po yung mga kabayan natin na nagsisimula pa lang sa stock market, malaman nila that there's a program like this na pwede nilang takbuhan for consultation or just to ask questions about something that they don't understand. You're free to ask questions. Just post it in the comments pag nadaanan natin. Siyempre, sasagutin natin yan, di ba? So, yan. Please share this video to your friends, to your Facebook walls, or to your trading groups. If you have trading groups, please share this video para magabayan natin mga newbies doon. Benedict, may gabi. Ishi, mukhang may poster kayo, sir. Nag-offer ng Autobot trading. Sakit sa ulo ng mga yan. Halos lang araw-araw meron kaming nire-report. Please, nope, I am against Autobot trading. I will never ever send you a message to offer you something. So please po, right? I will never do that. Okay? Rowena Villa, good evening. Ron Tabillas, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Good evening, Janer Diano, good evening. Aristotle Zamora, good evening, Sir Aristotle. GSAT na stock. Mustahin natin. International market kaagad. Let's check it out. GSAT. GSAT. Na, talang. I-load ko muna yung chart layout ko. And let's go for GSAT. Global Star. Sharing my screen now. Ooh! Galing! Right. Support of GSAT was right here. This horizontal line right here on this area. It has been playing around that area. And look at that. Good climb for GSAT for today. I would say wait for the pullback. If this tells us something, my man, this is a reversal. Right? Let it pull back. Medyo malakas yung akyat niya. Let it pull back and then bounce before you want to get in GSAT. Good find. Listan nyo na to. Right? GSAT. Listan nyo na po yan for Global Star. Good find, man. Joey Carpio. Right? Dapat pinasok nyo na to sa support pa lang. So, congratulations if napasok na. Eliza Raya, good evening, sir. PNB po. Let's go local. PNB. Pasensya na. Today should be Technical Analysis Tuesday. Oh, okay. PNB, yesterday, good climb right there. Look at that beautiful, beautiful support. And look at that beautiful, beautiful RSI divergence. I've been teaching you about RSI divergence ever since po. If ever hindi nyo ito nakita, then good luck. Ito, that's Bollinger Bands stabilizing. Sobrang stable ng price, very good support, very low risk. Ang earnings kahit na negative po yan, but technical analysis is telling us, look at the volume at this level. That's accumulation for you guys. These are the positions that I really like, and this, my friends, is no longer a buy. If ever hindi pa nakapasok, naiwan na po kayo dyan, antayin nyo lang po bumalik at salubungin kayo. You can use tawag nito, Fibonacci retracement for your entry if ever may makita na kayong pula. Kaso wala pang pula ngayon, so wala tayong basis talaga for the pullback. So abangan lang natin. But man, that's already up there. Abangan lang natin bumaba before you wanna get in. Good find, good find. Gab Margalio, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po ng ASXC. God bless po. God bless you too. Tingnan natin. ASXC. Ganda ng bounce ha. There's volume for accumulation already. Tignan na natin ang RSI. Ang RSI niya hindi pa gaanong clear. So there are no clear signals yet. Aside from volume is starting to spike up already. So most probably anytime soon. Meron pala ano dito ha. Meron tayong engulfing pattern dito. Failed for a bit, but this one's a good signal, man. It's kind of weak. The signal is kind of weak, so I will want this to confirm a support at the very least. Bigyan pa tayo ng isang confirmation before you want to text this out for ASXC. So let it pull back and then bounce. Pag nag-bounce yan, then that means this support is good. That is going to be your entry point for Gab. Margalio, Ruel, Deo, Careza, good evening sir, Bio, Nano, and Naked. And those are the stocks that I have right now in my portfolio. Si Naked ko, we're already up 10.90%. Ooh la la, sarap na Naked na position ko. Right, so hindi ko pa ito take profits yan. But yeah, let's check out Naked. NAKED, Naked. Alright, there it is. Good job by Naked. Good rally by Naked. Actually, I really want Naked to do a pullback first before you want to buy more kay Naked. Okay? I'm an investor kay Naked. I've already entered beforehand pa. Dito pa lang pumasok na ako kay Naked. Nag-pullback pa siya ng sobra-sobra before really confirming that support na iuna kong support was this one, this area right here. Nag-fail pa siya before talaga nag-rally again. And there it is. We are already up. Wait for a pullback and bounce for Naked po. Next naman si Bio Nano, BNGO. Kamusta na ba si Bio Nano ko na position? Alright, good. I already have 65% gains for Bio Nano. But man, I already told you guys, bilhin nyo na to sa support si Bio Nano. Hopefully, pinasok nyo na. If ever pinasok nyo, congratulations. I've been telling you this before, guys. Man, buy the Bio Nano already. If hindi nyo pa napasok yan, what are you waiting for, man? Sayang, sobrang sayang. Let it pull back now and bounce if ever hindi pa nakapasok talaga. Okay? Take some guts. That's for Bio Nano. That's from Ruel Deo Careza. If you're already in man, let me know how much your gain is already. Aristotle Zamora, Nickel sir, thanks. You're welcome. Let's check out Nickel and IKL. Nakakatakot si Nickel eh. Right? Ang gusto ko kay Nickel is just sideways trade, my friend. Sideways trade for Nickel. If ever balikan sa support, that's gonna be your entry point because the thing is already up there. Sobrang taas na ni Nickel. Okay? And then the trend is going sideways. So, if it's going sideways, then you wait for it to go to support and then sell in the resistance. Range trade din tayo dyan. And right now, medyo nakalipad na sa Nickel. So, it's gonna be very challenging to get in that. Ishi Marimat, pa-check po sa international market, APHA and MRC for local. Let's check these out. Alright. Alpha. Go. If this stock is fundamentally good, ang problema ko lang dito is I don't know the stock. So, I don't know the fundamentals of this company. If you know that this is fundamentally good at maganda yung pricing niya, maganda yung basa ng mga analyst, technical wise, it's already showing us good signals. That's a confirmation of a support right there. Engulfing pattern confirmed the support. That's our reversal signals, and I would say yes, buy that thing. Technical analysis wise. MRC, cut loss below ha. Cut loss below. Napakaganda ng position na yun. Very low risk. MRC, MA20 bounce. Congratulations sa mga pumasok. We talked about this. Ilang araw na natin kinover si MRC ha. Diba sabi ko sa inyo, if ever mag-bounce na si MRC, pasukin nyo. There it is. That was the bounce yesterday. Medyo doji lang siya. But man, that is still an indicator na nagsusustain siya dyan. Dito siya nag-bounce. So that would have been your entry already. So hopefully nakapasok na kayo dyan. Resistances are here. So it's gonna be very challenging if papasukin nyo pa yan bukas. So next pullback na lang. Medyo naiwan na kayo kay MRC. We've called already MRC on the bounce the past few days. Last week pa. Diba? Rowena, Zinerba. Kamusta ba yung Zinerba ko na position? Okay na ba? Yung Zinerba ko? Zinerba, negative 2.61 pa ako. But I'm okay with that. Support right there. Zinerba is already supported right there. Yan. Next pullback kay Zinerba. If ever hindi ka nakapasok sa support kay Zinerba. Right, pinasok ko si Zinerba dito. Right? So, medyo negative pa rin ako kay Zinerba because ito yung ginamit kong support. No, hindi. Hindi. Hindi ko na maalala bakit saan ko pinasok si Zinerba. I think, no. Yeah, I can't remember where I entered Zinerba. But, man. Anyways, ngayon yung importante. Wait for the pullback and bounce for Zinerba. Franz Cavillas, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pasilip po si INPX. Salamat po. You're welcome, man. INPX. Sideways stabilizing, my friend. RSI is somehow stabilizing. Looking up this time for this level right here. Man, buy the support. Sobrang solid ng support ni INPX, no? ilang sobrang lakas na support na yan, man. Buy that. If it's fundamentally good. We're just talking about technical analysis ngayon, ha. So, technical analysis wise, I would say yes, napaka-low risk niya ngayon. So, if ever it goes back, medyo nagpula siya the last trading day. So, if it goes back down to support, then bounces the support and confirms the support once again, then buy it, definitely. We are already seeing spikes on the RSI. So, those are good signals. Rodel Katigay, pa-shoutout po, Rodel of Hive. Good evening po sa inyo dyan, Rodel Katahai. Alright, Von Soriano, good evening, sir. SM po, sir. TY po, SM. Support for SM right here, man. Pero yung downtrend line niya. So we are looking at a bearish. We're looking at a bearish triangle right here. If ever kasi bearish triangle, we call it bearish kasi mas malaki ang chances for this to fail. Okay? So what I want to do is I really want to wait for SM to break that bearish triangle pattern right there, that resistance right there. If mag-break out yan, you can go in aggressively, or if ever if you're conservative, I really want to say you have to be conservative in this kind of market, in the stock and the Philippine Stock Exchange. Let it pull back after a breakout because that's a confirmation na tapos na tong downtrend nito. And then if it confirms the support once again, that's your confirmation, then that's where you buy. Okay, John De Los Reyes, good evening, sir. Pwede pa check si Ship at Naked. Thanks po. Mga stocks ko to, ah. Alright, Synergy. Musta na ship position ko? And Ship, I'm already up 3.92% kay Ship. Supportive Ship was right here. And dito ko pinasok si Ship. Medyo na-hit pa ako na support, but well, it was well within my support right here. So hindi ako nag-cut loss. So I still held on to it. Sayang hindi ako nakapag-buy more. But I'm already up kay Ship. Starting to rally up already. Sayang, man. Ditong support na ito, this was the best entry point. Okay? That was the best entry point right there. Pero, never too late. Let it pull back and then buy it. Since, okay pa naman. 3% pa nga lang kita ko. I'm still holding on to it. So yeah, it's still good to go right now. Ship is okay. And Naked, we covered Naked already. Charles, Naked, it's already good. INPX from Joey Carpio, we covered INPX already. Sir, good evening. Pwede sir si CLI. Si CLI, medyo nakalipad na si CLI. Sorry. CLI. Nawala yung chat. Alright, CLI, after the dividends dropped, but that's A-okay. Alright, it's doing a pullback right now. Ito yung support niya. Lower highs tayo, so that's gonna be maganda if ever, abangan nyo lang muna sa support. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari pag bumalik sa support. Alright, we have 103 right now watching. Good evening sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Wow, kabigla. PFPT for short selling po. PFPT for short selling. PFPT. Is your short sell nyo to si Proof Point? Ang ganda ng rally. You're gonna be going up against the trend, my man. No, I don't recommend short selling it. You're gonna go up against the trend. That's bad trading. Okay? Overall, medyo uptrend pa naman siya. Ang lakas nga ng momentum kanina. So, you're banking on a pullback. I know, I understand the concept. But, rule number 1 in trading, never go up against the trend. Okay? Kasi, since meron siyang momentum, mas likely na mag-pullback lang siya ng konti at aakyat. So, no, don't go against the trend. If ever you see a reversal signal, though, ang lower high, man, go ahead. Short sell it. I don't recommend it right now. Deljan Mao, may pa-check po ng Sumo. Sir, let's check out Sumo. Okay, may audio. Oy, ang ganda. Alright, we covered Sumo already. I told you this is the support. And nag-bounce na. So, what are you waiting for? Ang ganda ng RSI. Sumo, good find. I like that. Deljan Mao, my congratulations. Ito yung gusto ko. This is the main purpose of the program. To improve your trading, and somehow these are improvements. Mas gusto ko yung mga picks ninyo ngayon. Bias ako because I'm a position trader, and these are the positions that I really love. Okay, so good find right there. Sumo is buy. Magandang gabi, Sir Lloyd. Jonathan Villarta. Good evening, J. Mia naman for Rowena Villa. J. Mia. Maganda yung position na J. Mia. Okay, so we have going down RSI, but RSI overall is going up. We don't have a support in this area, but I think magre-reversal na ito. So we're seeing a wedge right now. Maganda dito is if you can wait for a breakout for Jimia, that's good. I would say yes. Abangan nyo yung breakout. That's gonna be a good signal. You can go aggressive since international market naman ito. Or if you are conservative enough, let it pull back and then after breaking out, that's a confirmation of a reversal. I mean, hindi naman reversal, pero tapos na yung trend. And go for the support after that. Listan nyo na to. Abangan nyo na. Good find, Rowena. Plug, SPCE, Sir Lloyd. Did we cover plug already? Nga pala, hindi tayo magtatagal ngayon guys ha. Hindi pa ako nakapaghapunan. Medyo na busy this evening. Oh, teka lang. Ganda ng plug ha. Yoy. Line. Trend line right here. So si plug, this is a trend line of plug right now. And nag-break na siya ng trend line niya ha. So this, my friends, are your support. Kaka-breakout lang ni plug. That's a buy. Plug power is a buy. May plug ba ako? Wala akong plug. Right. SPCE. Oh, support. Pero there's an engulfing pattern for SPCE. This is promising. Volume is starting to look up. Let it support, man. If ever mag-pull back yan and confirms this support, once again, I would say yes. Tignan natin ang RSI and that support. If ever umakyat man, that's gonna be your entrance for Virgin Galactic Space. Criselda Villanueva, magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi. Kyle Pono, ayan, shoutout dito sa Cebu. Good evening, Sir L, NKLA, and SHIP. We covered SHIP already. Okay na si SHIP. Antayin nyo lang muna. Ano nga ba yung call ko kay SHIP? Nicola. Si Nicola, napakalakas pa ng downtrend. There's a good signal for Nicola the past few days. Okay. Antayin lang natin matapos muna tong downtrend niya. Right? Abangan nyo to. Volume starting to pick up. So mukhang may hinog na to. Pwede na natin simulan si Nicola. Okay. Si SHIP naman, balikan natin si SHIP. Nakalimutan ko yung call ko kay SHIP. Ayan. So, si SHIP pala, let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in. Hopefully, napasok nyo sana dito sa support. We called SHIP already at that support. Pero if ever na-miss nyo, medyo nakalipad na ngayon, let it pull back and bounce before you wanna get in SHIP. Diego Casil. Entry for M-wide po, Sir Lloyd. I called M-wide. Uy, yun. So, nag-break ka agad ng MA20C M-wide. Entry for M-wide, abangan natin dito sa support at around 6 pesos. Around 6 pesos, abangan natin dyan. Right now, lakas ng selling niya. Earnings for M-wide, negative 178.72 compared to yung last year earnings niya. That's understandable. Walang construction last year. Halos because of COVID, etc. Materials are very hard to find, nagmamahalan, blah blah blah. Daming gastos ng mga company. So that's understandable, but nonetheless, M-wide still has so many projects. So they're still A-okay as a company. Tingnan natin sa support. Andrew Ibanez. Tingnan nga natin sa YouTube muna. May mga nanonood kasi sa YouTube. Alright, good evening sa inyo dyan. Johnny, bodega po for fundamentally good stocks. Yes, definitely for PSEI right now. Hanap na kayo ng mga stocks na gusto nyo, fundamentally good. Go for investing in PSEI. Jeric Lemosnero, good evening Sir Lloyd. Pa-check po sa Lotto. Salamat po. Let's check out Lotto. Mitsay. Sir Lloyd, pwede pa ba makahabol kay ADMP? Di pa kasi lumampas sa MA20. Thanks po. Tingnan natin ulit. Ayoko i-trade tong stock na to. Nakakalito yung charting nito. Pero man, Lotto, definitely there is sideways trend for the stock. Maganda naman yung bullish mga bullish na entries niya, but man, ang daming resistance, malapit tayo sa resistance. If ever you can get in support, kasi this is a sideways trend. So support lang. Hintayin niyo lang muna sa support. So kay Mitsay naman, ADMP, di ba? ADMP. Adamis Pharmaceuticals. Pwede pa bang habulin? Pwede pa bang habulin? Challenging. Challenging si ADMP. May ADMP ako. Negative 15% ako kay ADMP. So, because I went in this support, the previous support becomes the previous resistance kasi yun yung problema. So, it's gonna be very challenging. Hopefully, this will pull back and bounce. That's where you get in. Or if it breaks out from the previous support, then that's gonna be good entry for ADMP. Okay? Okay, going back sa Facebook live natin. JagX po, Sir Lloyd. This is from Bads de la Cruz. Si JagX naman, also a stock that I am holding on to. Maganda ang spikes niya. Woohoo! JagX looking good. Let it pull back and bounce before you want to enter JagX. Negative 23% pa ako kay JagX. But that's okay. Oh, si Sir Lloyd, ang laki ng 23% na loss niya, pero hinohold niya pa. That's okay. Calculated risk. Look at how much I am putting into JagX lang. $200 lang po. That's just 10,000 pesos. That's a very small amount in my portfolio. Percentage-wise, napakaliit lang po na linagay ko JagX. So I can afford these kinds of risks because I think JagX is gonna be looking good in the future. Let it pull back and bounce. That's gonna be your next entry for JagX. Right? So, this is good for JagX. Pag nag-pull back and doon at mag-bounce, mag-a-add position ako kay JagX. FTCV, sila 𝑒𝑇ORRO. Uy! Uy. Ganda ah. There's a support for FTCV. I would say, test it out. Okay? Test it out if you are into 𝑒𝑇ORRO. FTCV. Good. Chelsea naman po, may pangit na balita kay Chelsea. So, medyo challenging si Chelsea. That's why it's been breaking down the support. And I think this is still gonna go downtrend, my friends, for Chelsea. Sad to say. Ang pangit ng earnings nila. Linabas a couple of days ago. And that's a drag. Right? Chelsea, stay away from it. AMD and NIO po. Let's check out AMD and NIO. Time check muna tayo. It's 8:32. Hanggang 8:45 lang ako ngayon. Hindi pa ako naghahapunan. Pasensya na. At mag-alas 9 na. And medyo maaga yung lunch ko kanina. So, medyo I'm hungry. AMD, breakout. You can do breakout trade for AMD already, my friend. Right? AMD, good find. That's a buy, definitely. NIO naman. Right, so NIO, sideways trend, that's a good support and that's a good bounce right there. That's a buy, definitely. Si NIO, and may NIO ba ako? Hindi ako bumili ng NIO. Si Naked ang binili ko. NIO is a buy. Use this support as your support. Hindi po kasi sinabi ko na buy yan, sure tayo na lilipad yan. No. It's a buy because technically speaking, maganda yung position niya. We have a support, possible buy po yan. But the main reason is it's very low risk. And that's what we should be thinking of if you're trading. Sir GSAT po from Mary Jean. Gian. Sir GSAT po. GSAT. Ay, tapos na tayo dito. Let it pull back and bounce for GSAT. Right, we've covered GSAT already. Rocket Moon, please. Rocket Moon. Ano ba yung code ni Rocket Moon? Nope. No stock for Rocket Moon. Laura Napa, good evening. Rick Beredo, thank you for tagging your friends. Eder Yadao, good evening po, sir. Good evening po. Sir Chelsea Holdings po, we covered that. Sorry, sir. SM Energy Corporation sa 𝑒𝑇ORRO po. Okay. Nope. Supports, man. It's It's on a sideways trend right now. So the best entry is this support. Medyo nag-green na siya. You're already in between support or resistance. That's a bad position. Sharp entry on supports. Medyo nakalipad na yan. So it's not good to enter anymore. So that's for Von Soriano. Bads, there, Cruz, good evening, Sir Jagex po. We covered Jagex already. Dogecoin. Ayoko to, my friends. Ayoko to. Right. I'm not a crypto expert. I don't even know what Dogecoin is used for. So I don't recommend buying that. Technical analysis wise, yun lang ang pagbabasihan natin. MA20 is your landing point. Hopefully you have entered there. But meron pa naman trend line. So that's still A-okay. But man, para saan ba Dogecoin? Ano ba pwedeng bilhin yan? Kill Espinosa, if you own it, what can you trade it for? Diba? Kill Espinosa, thank you for if you know the answer, then good. That just goes to show that I'm not a crypto expert. So I really can't comment on it. Right? Jenner Dianyo, sir, ano po yung na-learn mo sa news last time about sa tax? It was bad. Pero proposal pa naman yon. Basically, palalakihin ang tax sa mga mayayaman. So, mga mayayaman ang magbabayad. Pero ganun din naman dito sa Pilipinas, di ba? The bigger your income is, the bigger your tax is. Yung mga low income na mga citizens, mas maliit yung wala nang ang tax di ba? Yung mga magkano ba yan? 30k below na salary. Wala nang tax, di ba? So basically it's like that, pero dadagdagan lang. Di naman gaano kalakihan kung isipin mo in percentage, but these people earn in large amounts, so 1% additional is already very big for them. So medyo nagkatakutan lang, pero after that okay naman ang market kaagad. Jenner Dianyo, sir, ano po yung na-learn? Nabasa natin to. Kila Espinosa, Chelsea holding spot. We covered that already, sir. Maganda po ba mag-breakout or pull back for bounce or buy agad sa breakout? Depends on the market, depends on the asset. If it's a good asset, if mura pa naman siya, yan, you can go aggressive entries for breakouts. If ever bearish yung market, antayin nyo muna ang pullbacks and bounces. Sir, watching from Riyadh, PHR, sir, good evening sa inyo dyan, Raul Tomale, at sa mga kapatid natin na nasa Riyadh. Shout out to everyone right there. PHR, good support at this area right here. Somehow that support is already sustaining. Umaangat na nga siya, medyo bullish na. So yeah, that's a buy for me, my friend. Medyo annual earnings, positive 39%. So that's good. PHR, buy. Good. Alright, use this support just in case mali tayo, low risk lang tayo. You can always cut your losses with minimal losses. Please, do your part. Thanks, Rael. You're welcome. From Jom Caparas, BSC and BHI. Binibilisan ko to kasi short lang tayo time ngayon. So, at least marami tayong makover. Hindi ko makakover lahat. Pasensya na. BSC, broke MA20. So, that's gonna be very challenging. We don't have clear signals as of this point. So, we don't have any buy signals. Stay put lang muna. Tingnan natin in the future. Baka bumalik sa support. Tingnan natin. BHI, nag-breakout siya, then good. If ever nakapasok kayo dyan. If ever hindi pa, stay away. That's at a very high position right now. Mas maganda if massive pullback lang muna. Nung breakout to, is the best entry for BHI. Medyo nakalipad na. A-REIT po from Pratik or Peza. A-REIT medyo mahal ngayon eh. Right, medyo mahal ang A-REIT. We are at top levels for A-REIT, man. I would stay away from that, but kung gusto niyo talagang pumasok, if you want to trade this one, breakout. If you want to go for A-REIT for dividends, investing, wait for it to drop. It's too expensive right now. Right, Chelsea, we covered Chelsea already. So, let's cover it already again. Chelsea, nag-collapse ng support after the very big earnings drop last year because of the pandemic. So, medyo baka magda-downtrend yan. That's a collapse right there. So, stay away from it. Magandang gabi, Eddie Yed. Sir Lloyd, pahabol po sa DMC. Thanks again. You're welcome. Andrew, DMC. Alright, si DMC after the dividends drop, right? Somehow, si DMC gumagawa ng support, ha? So, if you wanna get in DMC, let it break out, man. May massive resistance dito. Short-term resistance right there for DMC. I would say, let it break out first before you wanna get in DMC. Sir, good evening, sir. Watching from Abu Dhabi. Stay safe po and God bless. Robin Salazar, magandang gabi po sa inyo dyan. You guys stay safe, right? I'm almost always at home. So, medyo okay kami dito. Kayo po dyan ang exposed sa mga outside elements. Hopefully, you guys stay safe. Magpa-vaccine po kayo. Diyan, don't risk it, man. Eddie Head, sir, pwede po bang gold? Pwede naman ng gold. Right? But, let's check out pro charts. Gold. Okay? We talked about gold before, diba? Pullback and bounce for gold, man. This was the pullback, this was the bounce for gold. Mukhang okay na si gold bilhin, na. Especially right now na bumabagsak na magsimula na bumagsak si Bitcoin. Jong, good evening. Salamat po, Sir Lloyd from Baz, La Cruz. You're welcome. TBGI po. Let's check out TBGI. TBGI supports right here. Medyo downturn ang kaibigan natin. So, let's test out the support. If ever mag-bounce dyan, should you really want to trade it? Yan po. Sir, about Stone Corporation. STNE. Okay. Stone Co. Good rally. Mukhang nag-resistance si Stone Co eh. Breakout for Stone Co. If you wanna get in Stone Co. Matt Gallardo, good evening, sir. Pwede po check sana any UK 100. Kumusta natin si UK 100? Yung index naman nila, ang kamustahin natin. Mukhang okay naman yung UK na index eh. Okay? Sila na good rally, ha? Sila na good rally si UK 100. So, let's check out TUI. No results. TUI. TUI. Oh! Good rally, right? Nag-breakout sa TUI, nag-breakout siya dito. This was the best entry right here. If ever di nyo po napasok, man, naiwan na kayo. So, let it pull back and bounce before you want to get in TUI. Right. Cine. Right. I'm worried about this one right here. Bababa yung resistances natin. But the support is also doing well eh. Diba? Paakyat rin naman yung support niya. Let it pull back and bounce. I would say that will be a good entry for Cine. Right. GSK. Pala, yung seminar ko kahapon was with GSK. Right. So GSK, good rally for GSK. Starting to create a flag pattern. I mean, a triangle pattern right here. Let it break out from the triangle pattern. That's gonna be your entry point for GSK. Mukhang maganda to. Right, maganda yung position ni GSK. Sir ACR, please. Time check is... Dito tayo. 8:43. Oh, 8:43 na pala. Last 5 na lang ha. ACR, good climb by ACR right there. Let it pull back. Use the MA20 as your support since may mga instances siya na nagbe-breakdown. Okay, so that's for ACR. 𝐴𝑎𝑝𝑙. Si Apple naman, ang ganda ng earnings ni Apple. Ang ganda ng earnings ni Tesla. I'm bullish for Apple. Medyo nag-resistance ngayon. Wait for the breakout for Apple before you wanna get in. How bullish am I with Apple? Majority of my position is in Apple. Right? I placed $2,152 inside Apple. To invest in Apple. So, compare that to my next biggest position, which is $500, which is Tesla. So, ang laki ng investment ko kay Apple. Because I'm very bullish with this stock as of this point. So, yeah. Let it break out for Apple before you want to get in. Saka pala, Netflix, Sir Lloyd. NFLX. Netflix. Right, Netflix, nag-gap down. Not really sure what happened with the gap down, my friends. So, find out what happened. Most probably, earnings yan, bumaba. Kung pangit yung earnings, that might cause a bearish move for Netflix, but there's a good support for Netflix right here. So somehow nagsusupport naman siya. just find out what happened right here. And if it's okay, wala, no big deal naman, then that's your buy area right there for Netflix. Richard Lazatin, sir, first time ko mag-trade, di ko alam kung saan ako mag-umpisa and kung paano, pa-help naman po. Thanks. Di mo alam saan mag-umpisa, you have to create. Sige, ang last question ito, medyo mahaba to but yeah. This is for the sake of all the Richard Lazatin out there na magsisimula pa lang, di ba? So stock market, if you're just starting in the stock market, ang pinaka-importante kailangan mo is a brokerage account, a trading account from a broker, right? I trade in the international market, so I use eToro to trade since nagpapakopy rin ako at the same time. So if you wanna create an eToro account, andyan po sa video description, lagay ko na rin dito if you wanna create an eToro account. Right, so lagay ko na sa chat para hindi na kayo maghanap. So, create an eToro account using this link. And then, once may account na kayo, then you will have to learn a lot of things, right? About the stock market, about our economy. You have to study these things first. How do you do that? Go to stocksed.com, take our free courses. May free courses tayo dyan to help you start. And then, go to my YouTube channel, Financial Freedom 101. Ang pinakaunang video makikita nyo doon is everything about the stock market you need to know to start. Watch that video. That's for free. Financial Freedom 101 po. Okay? So, watch that video so that you can start. And then, actually, tinuro ko na doon lahat. Right? So, check it out. Okay? So, ngayon, kakasimula nyo pa lang, I recommend mag-copy trading lang muna kayo. Copy trade first while learning, right? Para habang nag-aaral kayo, kumikita kayo, nakisakay kayo sa ibang magaling na traders. Do not trade on your own because there's a very high chance you're gonna lose your money and baka mag-quit kayo, right? So, trust me on this one. Huwag kayo magta-trade basta-basta. Try copy trading first, okay? If you wanna go and get our premium courses po sa StocksEd, meron po kami sa website namin. Go to stocksed.com, use this code 𝐿Bazaar so that you can get a discount. Meron din ako mga recorded seminars ko. So if you wanna help me with my causes, yung mga projects ko, check out patreon.com. If you're gonna donate, that we are gonna be accepting it wholeheartedly. Maraming salamat po. If you're gonna be donating a larger amount, I'm gonna be giving you something in return. That's access to all my premium seminars. Meron po yung mga recording so that you'll learn more how to trade. Okay? That's gonna be it for me this evening. Pasensya na, we will be cutting it short. It's kind of deep in the night. Medyo gutom na. And I'll see you once again tomorrow. Yung mga topics natin, marami pa tayong mga topics na kalinya. Meron tayong request about Elliott waves from Aldous. Yeah, let's talk about Elliott waves bukas. So, abangan nyo. It's gonna be a very fruitful discussion for tomorrow. Elliott waves for tomorrow. I'll see you. That's gonna be it for me this evening. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.